request Honorable Chairman Sir Sri C. Vinay Kumar Garu to come on to the dais. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir. Onto the dais.
And with a bouquet by the third year student Vinila. Please welcome, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I take the privilege of inviting the one and only, the young and dynamic, the Vice Chairman of Nishta Group of Institution, Sri Nikhil Garu, to come on to the stage.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to invite the person who's serving the college with all his
The moment of lighting the lamp which will bring joy and success. Let's have a standing ovation, please.
Give a big round of applause, please.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणवन्दिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणविशिष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय
Now I request the
वक्रतुण्डाय
third year students for the
स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहविनुतं मालकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं मालकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपति.
Respected Dr. Professor Vijay Kumar garu, 5వ ఫేర్వెల్ పార్టీ జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ రోజుతో ఈ సంవత్సరంతో మరి 5 బ్యాచెస్ బీటెక్ పూర్తి చేసుకొని ఈ కాలేజ్ నుంచి బయటకు వెళ్తున్న శుభ సందర్భంగా ఈ ఫంక్షన్ మనం జరుపుకుంటున్నాం. మరి ప్రతి వ్యక్తి జీవితంలో కాలేజ్ లైఫ్ అన్నది ఒక గోల్డెన్ లైఫ్గా భావిస్తారు. మరి ఈ రోజుతో ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరి హ్యాపీ డేస్ ముగించుకొని మరి రియల్ లైఫ్లోకి ఎంటర్ కాబోతున్నారు. జాబ్స్, ఉద్యోగాలు, వేట బిజినెస్ మరి ఎవరెవరి అవకాశాలను బట్టి వాళ్ళు ముందుకు పోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది. మీరు మర్చిపోలేని మధుర స్మృతులు మరి మీకు జీవితాంతం జ్ఞాపకం ఉంటాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. నేను చదువుకున్నప్పుడు కూడా మా కాలేజీలో మేము ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేసాము, ఎలా కొన్ని మర్చిపోలేని ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ ఇప్పటికీ మాకు గుర్తున్నాయి. అలాగే మీకు కూడా మీ జీవితంలో మీరు నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అని ఒక ముద్ర మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా, రేపు ఏ ఉద్యోగం సంపాదించినా, అమెరికాకు వెళ్ళినా వీఆర్ నిష్ఠా కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అని చెప్పుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. మీలో ఉన్న యాంగ్జైటీ నాకు తెలుసు. ఎంతోమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చి కలుస్తున్నారు. ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ విషయంలో చాలా ఇబ్బందికరమైన పరిస్థితి ఈ సంవత్సరము ఎదుర్కొంటూ ఉన్నాం. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాలేజెస్లలో, ఈవెన్ అక్రెడిటేషన్ ఉన్న కాలేజెస్లో కూడా డ్రైవ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాయి చాలా కంపెనీస్. టీసీఎస్ అక్రెడిటేషన్ ఉన్న కాలేజీలలో కూడా టీఎస్సీఎస్ డ్రైవ్స్ ఇంతవరకు కూడా జరపకపోవడం ఈ సంవత్సరము చాలా విచారించదగ్గ విషయం. ఎందుకంటే మహీంద్రా సత్యంలో వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడి చూస్తే వాళ్ళు ఏమన్నారంటే, లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఏదైతే క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ డ్రైవ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేశామో, ఎవరికైతే అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఆర్డర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చామో, ఆ అపాయింట్మెంట్ ఆర్డర్ జాయినింగ్ డేట్స్ను కంటిన్యూస్గా పోస్ట్పోన్ చేస్తూ వస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పటికి కూడా లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ క్యాంపస్ ప్లేస్మెంట్స్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇంతవరకు మరి కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ కాకపోవడం ఇది నిజంగా శోచనీయమైన విషయం అని నేను భావిస్తున్నాను. ప్రతి సంవత్సరము 2 లక్షల మంది ఇంజనీరింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మరి బీటెక్లో పూర్తి చేసుకొని బయట ప్రపంచంలోకి అడుగు పెడుతున్నారు. కాంపిటీషన్ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం 2 లక్షల మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కాంపిటీషన్ పెరుగుతుంది. కానీ ఉద్యోగాల రేషియో అంత పెద్ద మొత్తంలో రాకపోవడం వల్ల చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్కు ఉద్యోగ అవకాశాలు దొరకడం తగ్గిపోతూ ఉంది. ఇలాంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్ కూడా మరి ఎవరికైతే సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద కాన్ఫిడెంట్ ఉంటుందో, సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద స్టఫ్ ఉండి మరి సబ్జెక్టులో ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్గా ఉంటారో, టాపర్స్గా ఉంటారో, అలాంటి వాళ్ళకు మాత్రమే అవకాశాలు దొరికే అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నాయి, ఉద్యోగాలు దొరికే అవకాశాలు. కాబట్టి బీటెక్ మీరు ఎంత పర్సంటేజ్తో పూర్తి చేసుకుంటున్నారు అన్నది ఈజ్ ద ఓన్లీ ఎలిజిబిలిటీ క్రైటీరియా వరకే చూస్తారు కంపెనీస్. 60%, 65%, 70% అన్నది. దాని తర్వాత మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ఇంటర్వ్యూ అటెండ్ అవుతారో, మరి ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మీ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ కానీ, యాప్టిట్యూడ్లో కానీ, రీజనింగ్లో కానీ, డిఫరెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో డిఫరెంట్ వేరియస్గా ఫీల్డ్స్లో మీరు వెరిఫై చేసిన తర్వాతనే మరి మీరు సెలెక్ట్ కావడం జరుగుతుంది. కాబట్టి కేవలం పర్సంటేజ్ మీరు హయ్యర్ స్టడీస్ కొరకు ముందుకు పోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఎవరైతే ఎంటెక్ కోర్సెస్ కానీ, యుఎస్లో ఎంఎస్ కోర్సెస్ కానీ మరి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తారో వాళ్లకు ఇంకొక 2 సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత మరి జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్కి పోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా ఈ ఎంఎస్ కోర్స్ పోతే మరి రాబోయే కాలంలో బీటెక్ కాకుండా ఎవరైతే పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ చూస్తుంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ కంపెనీస్ కేవలం కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ని మాత్రమే, లేకపోతే ఐటీ స్టూడెంట్స్ని మాత్రమే మరి సాఫ్ట్వేర్లోకి తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ స్టూడెంట్స్ను, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ను వాళ్ళంతగా ఎంకరేజ్ చేయట్లేదు. కోర్ కంపెనీస్లకు మాత్రమే మీరు ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ అండ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రయత్నం చేసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఈ విషయాలన్నీ మీరు దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మరి మీ బీటెక్ పూర్తయ్యే లోపు మరి ప్రాపర్గా ప్లానింగ్ చేసుకొని మరి టోఫల్ రాస్తారా, లేకపోతే గేట్ ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారా అన్నది మీరు డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. కొంతమందికి ఉద్యోగాలు దొరకవచ్చు ఇమ్మీడియట్గా, కానీ ఇప్పుడే ఏది కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్పే పరిస్థితి లేదు ఈ సంవత్సరం మట్టుకు స్టూడెంట్స్కు. కాబట్టి ఉద్యోగమే టార్గెట్గా కాకుండా పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేషన్ కూడా మీరు ప్రిపేర్ కావాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందని సందర్భంగా మీకు తెలియజేస్తూ, మరి ఈ కాలేజీలో 4 సంవత్సరాలు చదివి మీరు ఈ కాలేజీ నుంచి బయటకు ఈ సందర్భంగా ఈ కాలేజీకి మీ తల్లిదండ్రులకు మంచి పేరు ప్రతిష్టలు తీసుకొస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ ముగిస్తూ.
This will help us in leading success to go on through our career. Now I request our beloved director, Professor Shri Vijay Kumar Garu, to advise
College, Mr. Ahmed, members of the teaching staff, and my dear friends. We have gathered here today to bid farewell to our final year students. This has become a routine, but for the students who are going out, this should be a memorable occasion. The BTech BE course is one of the longest courses today. It is true that we have the medical program also, which takes about 5 to 6 years. But then the monotony that we have in the engineering course is not there in the medical course. Because after the second year, they start going to the hospital, and therefore they have a lot of experience, contact with human beings and so on and so forth. Unfortunately, the students of engineering are in preventive detention for 4 years in the same college and perhaps in the same classroom. Or maybe they may change the floors, going from the second floor to the third floor and so on and so forth. And sitting in the classes for 7 hours a day, 7 hours a day for 4 successive years is itself an achievement. Now, not only that, people are unable to understand the problems which engineering students face in this course. I do not know whether you have ever counted, but you have to study about 40 courses, about 40 courses, plus or minus 1 for getting your degree, 40 courses. What is the connection between these courses? What is the connection between these courses? Apparently, there is no connection. And you take each course as it comes. Whereas, if you take the medical course, all the studies that you have are focused onto the human body, the human being. This is a very big difference. And therefore, to give meaning to an engineering course is a very difficult problem. This is the problem that most of the students face. What do we make out of this course? Why all these subjects? Why not some practical training instead? So these are the problems which we have not been able to solve. We must, in interview, you have to face questions from the first to the 4th year, depending upon the mood and the kind of person that we have. Therefore, my dear friends, it is very important. And what is the substance of all this? The meaning of all this is try to absorb the gist of each one of these courses. We don't know when they are going to be useful to us. We don't know when they are going to be useful to us. It depends upon the sort of job that you take up. Unfortunately, the engineering course today does not prepare you for a single job. Therefore, it equips you with the skills, with the knowledge to absorb what is going to come, to innovate. This is a very important quality these days. If you want to succeed in life, you have to innovate. You cannot go on beaten path. You have to create a new path. And this is the secret of success everywhere. This is, in other words, called creativity. And let me tell you, my dear friends, that this 4 years of staying in engineering college kills this creativity, totally. Engineering program. In a regulated economy, where you know that this number of jobs are available here, this number of jobs are available here, it is possible to give training. It is not possible to give a general type of training which will help you in all the jobs, the possible jobs that you can take up. Therefore, don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. The only light that I see at the end of the tunnel, 4 years you are in the tunnel and then you come out, the only light that I see at the end of the tunnel is that you have been taught something. You have undergone some courses. You must be sure about what you have learned there. You must be sure about what you have learned there. And today, that has become very important. A few years back, people are talking about soft skills only. But today, everybody is saying that if you are properly equipped, if you know the subject, if you understand, if you have understood your subjects, whatever has been taught to you, forget the details. Forget the details are not important. The books are always there. You can look into the details. But the essence of what has been taught to you, if you are able to absorb, then I'm sure you will be successful, sooner or later. Now it is happening that in these days, things are a little difficult, but I'm sure the situation will ease, but the golden days of past few years will never come back. Let us be assured. And we have to struggle, go on struggling till we achieve our aim. Friends, as you are aware, the college was started in 2003. 2003-2004 was our first academic year, Alumni Association. Therefore, I request the students who are going out to remember this, that next year we will organize a meeting of the alumni of the college, and then we will try to organize some activities also. The college is known by its alumni, and therefore we will certainly plan many more activities. Thank you very much. I hope you succeed in your life. Thank you.
Practice your words for making our careers. Thank you so much. Now I request our dearly Ahmed sir to come on to the dais and have a few words with us.
Thank you very much for inviting me to just attend this farewell function. This is the 6th outgoing batch of this institution, and it is a custom for the 3rd year students to arrange this farewell function for the 4th year students. So, in that context, I feel it a pleasure to attend, and the semester is almost about to end. A few days are left, and by now, the 4th year students might have made up their minds as to what way they should take after the completion of this degree. They might have decided higher education or job, or so many opportunities are available. The only thing is you have to excel. Whatever be the branch, you have to excel, and you should be able to do something. That's what is required. Because this is an age of competition. And as the days are passing, it is observed that competition is on the increase. So you must be able to compete with the others. For that, the learning of the subjects is very important, and learning is never ending. Our life is totally a learning phenomena. That is, every day we learn something. So in that context, I want to say that you must try to just increase your knowledge in the subject, whatever branch it may be, and you should see that you get it. Because lot of opportunities are available for the right persons, even now, at this time. So I advise all of you, fourth year students, to take up seriously the examinations which are about to start in a few days. See that you prepare well and go out to face the competition in the world. At the same time, I am advising the other students also, the host students, third year students, to prepare well and see that they are still having one more year in their hand, so that they can just see that their marks percentage also is important at present. They just boost up their percentage and see that they are able to compete with the others and are successful, so that they may bring name and fame to this institution. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
We'll keep this in practice and it... Now it's time for the HODs to call upon to the stage. Now I request, it's time for the people who dare to dream and achieve the same.
I invite the head of the EC department, Mr. Giriraju sir, to come up onto the dais and deliver his speech on this memorable occasion.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, my dear colleagues, dear students, so good morning everyone. So actually, this day in one way very sad day and very happiness day, because of almost all you have finished 94% degrees. Okay, next your target is you have to search for new goals. Okay, so in the same way you have to think about your life also. So my suggestion is better to choose your life. That means you have to take your steps towards better life. Okay, this is my suggestion. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now it's time for the people who shakes the technology and lives royally. It's none other than...
I request the head of the CSE and IT department, Kumari Kiran Garu, to come up onto the stage and add a view on this memorable occasion.
And my dear staff and students, okay, a warm welcome to all of you. Every time I say the same words, when the 5 years we are celebrating farewell, I think the best batch is going out. Okay, this year also I feel the same thing. The best students are going out. Okay, I asked all the third year students also to think like this. Fine. I wish all the students to come out with flying colors. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's time to invite the people who work efficiently to live permanently.
I request the head of EEE department, Sri Ramesh Garu, onto the dais. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Sir, faculties and dear students, a warm very welcome to you all. Hello. Today, the final year students are leaving the college, so we are giving farewell party to them. So I wish you all the success in your future. Thank you.
It's time for the people who shape the universe and wealth the rest of the branches. It's none other than
The representative of the mechanical department,
Mr. Rajesh Garu, to share his views.
please welcome him.
All of you. And on the day. So this party begins with a fresher party and it is ending with your farewell party. Like in the freshers party, to like how to get the things done in the coming 4 years. So what you have done in the 4 years. So we are keeping on tracking you and we are taking. Yes. So in the beginning of freshers, so we were telling and till final year, you are there in the final year. So you are going to leave us. So you are the outgoing batch. So you know what are the things you already made up. Some of the students of you already decided where to land, and some are like planning, still under planning, and some are think that we'll go to plan. Okay, still 1 year is there. So just now we finish. So we'll take a leisure of 6 months and we'll try the jobs and all those things. But the scenario is not like that. The scenario is entirely different. As our directors have said and our chairman have said, this is very difficult. The outside competition is very difficult. Even the jobs, the finding the jobs in the JNU, on and every year, there are 33% of students are coming out. This becomes a very difficult to the companies to sort out the good students. And like the companies are investing on each student on CTC basis. So they can't hire the people which are less knowledge. So all these days you are enjoyed from the first year to till 4th year, and nobody is there to guide you. So after final year, you are out in the real world, where you have to face the problems on your own. So in the period of 4 years, we were there and we are helping you all these days, right? So now you have to face your own music. So what to take and where to land, what is a suitable job and all those things, right? So now it is a point of rethinking yourself. Some are planned, well planned. Some students out of 60 students or 20 students are well planned. I know it. And some are like, okay, we'll take, so what is there, whatever comes. So some are like, so we'll think after 1 year. By the time you are with juniors or whatever they are giving the freshers, they also becomes a competitor for you. So you together go for one job. So what is the point of view that? As a senior, you have to get settled first and then show the way for your juniors. So that's what we are expecting from you. So wherever you go, right, whatever the country, wherever the land you go, so we will be identified by the college name, not by your own identity. The identity comes from your college. So irrespective of branch, whenever you see your friend, some all of accident, so what you see that, hey, he's an ISDA college student, you'll say, right or wrong? Right? So that is the identity we given us in the 4 years. So these 4 years, thanks for giving your 4 years, because we'll be giving out 40 years of life with a degree. That's going to be a valid degree, so that you can make whatever you want to do it. So whether you want to achieve a good job, so that will be help out. So in the outside world, there is a lot of competition. So I'll thank you for being here with us for 4 years, and all the best, and achieve your goals with the hard work and dedication and determination. Thank you.
Timriti Garu, on to the dais.
Okay. Sorry, Timriti sir is not available with us.
Views.
Good morning to everyone. Hello seniors. Seems today you are also late. Every day I used to shout at you that you are coming late. Even today you are late. Feeling bad about that. Anyways, I want to say one thing about this 5 years. I have been teaching to them from the first year. And I want to say one thing. This is the best students I had faced in all my 6 years of life. And the main thing I like about them is the discipline they had all those 3 years. And I wish you all the best luck. Thank you.
Dearly and lovingly seniors, to share these moments on this wonderful occasion,
I request any of the seniors to share this moment with us.
please give her a big round of applause.
Monica from the EC department. Please welcome her.
Good afternoon to all of you, including the faculty, the dignitaries, and all my friends, my juniors. ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఇలాంటి ఈవెంట్స్లో ఏ భాషలో మాట్లాడాలన్నా మనకి వర్డ్స్ దొరకవు అనమాట మన ఫీలింగ్స్ని షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి. ఇట్స్ లైక్ మొన్నే మేము ఈ కాలేజ్లో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యాము. మొన్నే మాకు మా సీనియర్స్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఇచ్చారు. నిన్న మేము మా సీనియర్స్కి ఫేర్వెల్ ఇచ్చాము. ఈరోజు మాకు మా జూనియర్స్ ఫేర్వెల్ ఇస్తున్నారు. అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్లో జాయిన్ అయినప్పుడు చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో ఉన్నాము. బట్ డ్యూ టు ద గైడెన్స్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అండ్ స్టాఫ్ మెంబర్స్ ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్, IT or mechanical, whoever they may be, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వీళ్ళు వేరే అనే డిఫరెన్స్ లేకుండా అందరూ మమ్మల్ని బాగా గైడ్ చేశారు. ఐ థింక్ మీ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ కూడా మాతో ఫర్దర్గా కూడా ఉంటాయని మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాము. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ లక్కీ టు హ్యావ్ సచ్ అ గ్రేట్ బ్యాచ్మేట్స్. 08 బ్యాచ్లో వాట్ ఎవర్ మే బి ద డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఆసమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ దొరికారు. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఇఫ్ ఎంసెట్లో కనుక వేరే కాలేజ్లో అడ్మిషన్ వచ్చుంటే నేను మీ అందరినీ చాలా మిస్ అయ్యేదాన్ని. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఇప్పుడు ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ అయిపోయి 1 monthలో వెళ్ళిపోతాము, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ కలవమో అనే ఒక ఫీలింగ్ కూడా చాలా బాధగా అనిపిస్తుంది. సో ఐ విష్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్. Hope you reach greater heights in your future. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Few words with us on this wonderful occasion.
It's very appreciable she continued in her own cultural language for Telugu. Please give her a huge round of applause, sir. Please give her a huge round of applause, please. Now, it's time for us to hand over the stage to Pranay and Sneha for further proceeding. Thank you so much, seniors and all the faculty members. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the faculty and seniors for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, my friends. Hi, everyone.
Pranay, this is Neha, my co-anchor. We are from the Department of CST. Here we are here to invite seniors, beloved seniors, to please come on the dais to collect the token of love.
With love. If you don't mind, I request all the CSC seniors to come one after the other onto the dais. And I request Achievement Sir to give away the token of love. Start with Nikhil Reddy, Abhinay, Naresh, Rajnikant, Sridhar,
Prasanna Lakshmi, Sai Shravana, Krishna Chaitanya, Saujanya, Anand.
please cheer up, guys. Sujita, Rajkumar, Krishna, Yadav, Prashanti,
Shyam Kumar, Mahendra, Shravani, Gautami,
Bhargavi, Yashodhara, Sanjeeva, Kiran Reddy, Krishna.
Mamta, Varun Reddy, Tiwari, Chaitanya, Gamana, Naveen Reddy.
Please cheer up, guys. Cheer up, Sadanand.
Applause.
Vijayla Ravikant, please come on to the dais. Narayana Sushmita, Shekhar Reddy, Anjaneyulu, Prashant, Sharat Chandra, Naresh, Dheeraj Kumar,
Reddy,
Shrikant Reddy,
Lakshmi Narasimha Rao,
Karthikeyan, Lachi Reddy,
Lachi Reddy,
Now, there is a wonderful song sung by our juniors. It is dedicated to our seniors. I invite my friends Kumar, Mani, Shrikant Nayak, Vaishnavi, Gaurav. Gaurav, please come on to the dais. Sharat Reddy, Shivakumar Reddy, Sai Kiran, Ravikant, Naveen Kumar, Fatima, Shrikant, Rohit Reddy, please come on to the dais. Shavya, Maunika, Shiva, Naresh Kumar, Manish Kaur,
Venkat.
Naveen Kumar, Nagender, Dhananjayan, Ashok Kumar, Irfan, please, whoever is there, please come on to the dais.
Hi friends, good morning. This is Gopi and my co-anchor Sadvika.
We are from the Computer Science Department.
Though this day may be a little sad day as you are departing from us, we are very sad to miss all our seniors, especially beautiful seniors.
But we want to make this day a memorable day throughout your life.
We take privilege to remember you for some of the tremendous achievements by which your batch gonna be remembered by our institution.
The Nishta College website was designed by taking a lot of efforts, which is interactive, sophisticated. This is gonna remember you, batch, throughout the college.
We are grateful to you to win the late Sri C. Bhumaya Memorial Cup, which is the official inter-college cricket tournament organized by Nishta College in the debut year itself. And also, we are esteemed you to tell the highest percentile was scored by your batch itself, which is unbreakable till now.
Now, we are going to have a beautiful song composed on our seniors by our third years.
Thank you.
We are overjoyed to present this token of love for the tremendous achievers.
Now we would like to invite the head of the department, Kumari Kiranmai Garu, onto the stage. Venkata Krishna, Rakesh Chandra Reddy, Naveen Kumar,
Nagendra, Dhananjay,
Ashok Kumar, Irfan, Zahiruddin, Santosh Kumar, Sai Swaroop,
Harika, Mahesh Kumar, Shravani, Lakshmi, Shai Kumar.
Thank you, Gopi and Satvika. Firstly, I want to share a few words and my experiences with all my seniors. They are very supportive all these 3 years. They stood behind us and encouraged us in every...
Goodbye is not forever. Goodbye is not the end. It is just to say we miss each other till we meet again. I, BSK Chaitanya, with my commander Usha. Now I request all our beloved seniors from the Department of Electronics and Communications.
B. Saujanya, B. Rajshekar, B. V.R. Narasimha Rao, B. Durga Santosh,
D. Virender, D. Sai Mohan, D. Trinesh.
Vinay Kumar, G. Sai Bindu, G. Kirti,
G. Mahendra Kumar, G. Avinash, G. Priyanka, I.S. Teja, J. Sai Raghava.
Yeah, look here, sir, look here.
Oh, she's a diva. Feel the same and I wanna meet her. They say she low down.
K. Srividya,
K. Shweta, K. Ashwini, K. Gautami, K. Rajshekar.
come fast. K. Rakesh Kumar, K. Rajshekar, K. Harish Kumar, Lakhan Sharma, L. Narsingh Naik, M. Sagarika,
M. Lavanya, M. Kumar, N. Priyanka, N. Raghuram, N. Manikanta, M. Shrikant Gaur, Nitesh Agarwal.
Dheeraj Chandra Tej, P. Vijay Chaitanya, P. Vinay Kumar, G. Pawan,
P. Nandakumar Reddy, R. Saket, R. Chiranjeevi, R. Hari Sainar. The next section will be continued by Bhargav and Shravya.
friends, I am Balu and she is my co-anchor Shravya.
Now we'll continue with the remaining seniors from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering to collect the token of love.
DJ. Here we go with S. Jagadish Babu.
Mavika, Manoj Kumar, Saida, Anjali, Sindhu Madhavi,
G. Lakshmi, G. Mahesh, Sai Kiran, Gopi Reddy Soni. Action. K. Jyoti, Sai Deep, Swati, Vamsi Krishna, Navneet. Pradeepa, Narepa, Abnesh.
R. Soumya, S. Nakul, S. Santosh, S. Viplab Kumar Reddy, Somi Reddy, Somi Reddy Sama.
సార్ ఈరోజే సార్ అవునవును సార్
We take the privilege to invite our lovely seniors from the IT department one by one to collect these sweet memories.
So now I request Honorable Chairman first.
Bindu Pratyusha, Nandishwar, Alekhya, Anil Kumar, Rakesh, Shanti Kumar, Rikwita, Gautami, Lalita, Aditya, Purnima. Narsimha, Shivakumar, Vinay Kumar, Shrikanta,
Soumya, Pratanya, Naveen Reddy, Sandeep, Pramod.
Anusha, Pranita, Anil, Radhakrishnan, Radhika, Raj, Anant Kumar, Ramakrishna, Nikhil, Shiva, Srinivas Reddy, Soumya, Rita. Thank you.
This opportunity.
Thank you, Vinila and Siddharth.
Good morning, one and all. I'm Avinash and C. Sata we are from Mechanical Branch.
We are here to give tokens of love.
C. Sanjeeva, C. Shilpa.
Devi Nikhil, D. Bhagyashree, G. Prashant Reddy, G. Sandeep Reddy.
A. S. Gayatri, G. Omkarnath, G. Monesh, K. Shivaramchari, G. Kirtana. Kirti.
We started at the park, used to chill after dark. Ooh, when you took my heart, that's when we fell apart. Cause we both thought that love lasts forever.
Kishore Kumar D. Koduri Kiran Kumar, Rutvika, K. Venkata Nagendra, Pandari Reddy.
K. Panindra Kumar, K. Hema, K. Vivek Bhargav, K. Rajender, K. Madhukar.
Navya Reddy, M. Preetham, B. Narendra Reddy, M. Harish Kumar, N. Jalaja.
K. Radhika, K. Ramakrishna.
Sandeep No, Vishnu Neela, and V. Karthik.
Ahmadi, A. Bayyana, A. Sai Jyoti, A. Rakesh, G. Dilip, G. Venkata Subramanyam.
Hemlata Patel, J. Girish Kumar, K. Somnath, K. Venkatpat, K. Someshri.
K. Prithviraj, K. Praveen Kumar.
Look here, sir. Ready? Yes, sir.
L. Jagan, M. Venkata Karthik, M. Mamata.
M. Navita, Mohammad Abdul Rafi, M. Sai Krishna, M. Chandra Prakash, N. Praveen Kumar.
O. Swati, P. Praneet Kumar, P. Ravinder, P. Ramachandra Reddy, P. Sudhir Kumar.
P. Soni, P. Rana Pratap, R. Abhijit Kumar,